Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Ericofon by North Electric, and this is my buddy Sal's telephone from the Capris, and he's also from New York. And you may want to check out the Capris. They have some great songs. Now I want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this telephone. Sal purchased this unit from an online auction site. And when he received this unit and checked it out, everything worked but the ring cycle. So this unit does not ring. And this unit would have a warble type ring cycle, an early version of what the piezo buzzer circuit became. Our electronic circuit for the ring cycle is located right in this area on that PC board. And the ring cycle audio is produced through the receiver capsule. The problem is the original receiver capsules in these units, if they go bad, you actually have to remove this front plate. And that's the only way you can get to the receiver capsule, and that is a very difficult repair because you actually have to cut that plate out and then replace the receiver capsule. Sal has another telephone just like this one in the Swiss version, and that unit comes with a buzzer. There's no need to repair the original ring cycle circuit because we do not want to put any more stress on the original receiver capsule because it's so hard to replace if it goes bad. So that's how we're going to rectify the situation. We're going to install a buzzer. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We're going to go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting of this really cool North Electric Ericofon. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool North Electric Ericofon, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention that we have an amplified pickup taped to the back of the unit so that we can hear the audio from the receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I push the button, I can give dial tone or take it away, at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Earlier in the video, we mentioned that we were going to utilize the European design and install a buzzer in this unit. And I do prefer the buzzer ring cycle over the electronic warble type ring cycle. So the conversion is a plus to this telephone, and it worked out just fine. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is buzzing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, October 15th. The current time, 5:12 p.m. And the temperature, 64 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool Ericofon by North Electric has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Sal and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.